Now you have the ability to charge your contacts with any of your connected payment providers. This feature enables charging and saving cards across multiple payment providers, enhancing flexibility for users with diverse payment processing needs. As far as benefits go, this is going to increase your flexibility. Now you can charge and manage cards using any integrated payment provider. It's also going to enhance efficiency. Easily switch out between payment gateways without disrupting transactions or customer data. This is also going to allow you to streamline operations. Now you can simplify payment processing by consolidating all payment activities right within the CRM. As far as practical use goes, now a business using both Stripe and Authorize.net for different types of transactions can now charge customers on either platform directly from the contact page within the CRM, ensuring seamless financial operations. So let's go ahead into our contacts. This is going to be contacts on the left-hand navigation, and you're going to select a contact under your smart list. Now, once you've selected that contact, you're going to look on the right side under the Payments tab, and you're going to see Charge Now. You can actually go into this and configure the payment method. So just select the payment method, confirm, and go ahead and charge that card. Supporting multiple payment gateways within the CRM greatly enhances transaction flexibility and operational efficiency for your business. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.